China has always been famous for its quality and innovation in technology. It is in Qingdao where Sailun Tires was founded more than 20 years ago, one of the leaders in the Chinese tire industry with exceptional quality, research, and innovation. Sailun's tires reflect the great effort and dedication of the company. For this and other reasons, the Tire Direct Group chose Sailun Tires as an ally in the construction of Mexico's first radial tire factory with a Mexico-China joint venture. On May 15, the groundbreaking ceremony for this ambitious plant took place, marking an important milestone in the Mexican tire industry. Sailun's presence in this project is not only a significant breakthrough for Mexican industry, but also a testament to China's technological and innovative capabilities. Sailun brings its expertise and state-of-the-art technology to this initiative with more than 20 years of experience in tire manufacturing. With a 51% stake in the project, Sailun will be a key player in the production process and a guarantor of the highest quality products.